Welcome back to the channel. This is my video of the Vintage Cruisers Dairy Queen car show on Tuesday, September 10th, 2019. A lot of interesting cars that showed up, so I'll walk through, show you some pictures of those cars, and then have a quick interview with Zach, an organizer for this event, and hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. If you want more information on this video, please check out the description section, which will have more info or related links for this video. And if you have a question or comment, please leave it down in the comment section.
Zach McKiernan here with Vintage Cruisers, and we are doing our monthly Dairy Queen car show. We do this all year long, summer, winter, and it runs from 5 to 8 p.m. This is a free event, family friendly, so come on out, have a good time. All cars are welcome. Thanks so much.
We're coming to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please hit that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please consider subscribing. It's free. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, smash that like button. If this is the first time you stop by the channel, please click the subscribe button to the right. It's free. Click that bell notification to get notified when I upload new videos. Follow Retro Car Guy 530 on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Patreon. Thanks for coming to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.